Autobots, roll out. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Review Queen, and today I will give a review on Transformers War for Cybertron. It is a trilogy Netflix original anime series, and this is the first part named Siege. The first season will only consist of 6 episodes, and I also know that isn't a lot for a Transformers series, and all the episodes are about 25 minutes, less or more. The war that has destroyed their planet named Cybertron is the main story. Two leaders, Optimus Prime and Megatron, both want to save their planet in their own perspective. According to the show's creator, you will not be disappointed. I have yet to see real Pushin. I'll get him for this seriously. However, it feels like Netflix aren't promoting it enough. I have no doubt for a lot of people who don't have Netflix and never watched Transformers before will come across this. The thing is, if you are a fan of Transformers, then you will watch all the content related to it. I am also a Transformers fan, and that's why I have watched the series and it didn't disappoint me. Every time you see a Michael Bay Transformers movie and that crush your soul again and again. So when we got the news of an anime series, I was like, let's go, that's gonna be awesome. This is a serious show. I think for a lot of fans, Transformers have kind of hard time placing itself within the last few years in what kind of direction and standard they want to set for their fans. And also new fans with confusion of the movies and be already short-lived series of Transformers Cyberverse. We need something to keep the Transformers franchise going on, and Transformers fans really need something that fills that void, and I bet this series has done it. We Transformers fans need something consistent, and with Cyberverse now out of a picture, it's time for War for Cybertron series. Let's talk about the characters. They have made this series, at least I can say the first part was exciting but not emotional. I found it's hard to engage with the characters when it comes to emotion. I felt they should have added some more backstories to their characters. And we have heard that one Allspark story through video games, comics, movies. We see those familiar faces, but unfortunately their voices are not same cause they have got a new cast. I am a Transformers fan since my childhood, and this series was quite exciting for me. Still, I will say this series has too many dialogues. Like, I felt they were slightly off balance. There should be equal action and dialogues cause you already have that word Transformers in your title. Well, I like some of the actions and the colorizations and the style, but it took a few episodes to find its feet, and then it eventually got going in that last episode. Nevertheless, as I have already told, if you are a Transformers fan, then you will watch all content related to it. So what are you waiting for? Go for it. So in my opinion, I am giving the series Transformers War for Cybertron 8 out of 10. So Transformers fans, don't miss it out. So that is it for today guys. Let me know in the comments you watched it or not, or what you think about the series and my review. Leave a comment, like my review if you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.